Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone and you can see it at the device list. Right here, as you can see, we have information there is no connection. If you have Android, it will move to saved devices. Now, after that, just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and it can fix, with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. But sometimes it happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically, so then you just tap on it at the device list and it will reconnect. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!